Step 10. Wire feeding machine installation, or in English, extruder. The instructions clearly suck here, so we're just gonna eyeball it and guess from the part what we've got to do, and maybe have a look at the picture, which gives you more detail than the instructions. So we need the bracket, the bag B71, and the last stepper motor. So the bracket will go like that, stepper motor like that, and so on this side we're going to install the yellowish part here, the blue one like so. Right, the blue one is gonna have pulley, good, and a gear on the motor itself to drive the filament. And a really small screw, smaller. Good. So I feel like we're gonna put the pulley and assemble the blue part, and then we'll put the gear on the shaft and make sure they're aligned with the pulley. Right? This little guy is going to go here. It's sort of a valve or anti-return something. We're gonna plug the bottom tube in here, and that's gonna that's not going to allow it to leave. Okay, so we've got all these screws that are countersunk somehow and go there. No, or maybe they do. No, they don't. No, they don't, because it's mounted directly on the motor, so it has to be smaller. Yeah, like so. Okay, like so. And we are looking for a Phillips head for the pulley. But I cannot see one. Well, they show it as a Phillips head there too. But I don't have it. So what do we have? These go there with the T-nuts, right? We should have 4 and 4 T-nuts. So that's going to allow us to mount the bracket on the printer. What remains are these. Okay. There must be one more that will go here like so. Or do we need only 3 screws maybe? So in that case this one goes here. Not there, but so that one must be for the pulley. It's exactly the right size to be flush on the other side, so we'll try it that way with no spacer. No. Okay. On this one we'll go there, perfect, and we'll put the spring here. All right. All right. So that remains this one down there and possibly an extra screw. I don't really know what to do with the washers. I don't know if we need them, or maybe there. Gosh, the instructions suck. Okay, so we're gonna try it that way. So screw, washer, bracket, T-nut. I cannot slide the T-nuts from the top because there's the top extrusion over there. And I feel like it's going to be painful to do it from the bottom, so I'll just insert them directly in place and hope they will rotate when I'm going to tighten the screws. But you already know I really don't like to do that because you cannot trust them to actually rotate. To increase your chance, you have to put the T-nut as loosely as possible so it goes as deep as possible in the groove, and you increase that way the likelihood that it's going to rotate and not be impinged by the rails. Okay, so we're done. This one could be, yeah. And we're just going to eyeball it with the stepper in place. Obviously we don't want it to hit the stepper on the carriage, and on the left there's not much to be hit because this carriage is a bit far, and fortunately we have clearance over the screws of the wheels there, so going to put it a bit recessed like so, I think. But over there. So this guy goes here, this guy goes here, there. It's not the right one. you'll see better what I'm doing here. Okay, hopefully that's going to give us clearance to install the electronic box under, yes. So I'm choosing to put the stepper motor with the plug facing down, but no idea if it's correct or not. Say we're going to install that. Sorry for that. So here. Good, so that's done. Now I can put this guy up, and we want it to align with the pulley. And like always, pay attention to the flat spot on the motor shaft. You have to have at least one set screw hitting it. So that's that. Now for the top side. There we go. We're going to put the spring. There's a recess in the yellow part where the spring goes. Good, that's tight. These two. That's it. The filament will go up this hole into that one, passing by the pulley and the gear. Step done.